Hi, I'm Taylor from Taylor's Boats, where our mission is bringing friends and family together. We're going to do a little follow-up video from the video that we did last week. Last week, we did a video called Plenty of Water to Play. We drove past Utah Lake. We went to Deer Creek. We went to Jordanelle. We went past Echo. We went to Pineview, and we went to Willard Bay. And as you saw in the video, there is plenty of water to play. Boating at all those lakes is fantastic. Let's go boating. So here we are at Lake Powell. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd. We got down here on June 1, Monday. It's always been our tradition to bring our children down to Lake Powell when school got out. Now it's our grandchildren. And as you can see, there's plenty of water to play. Monday, we launched a 20-foot Malibu and a 24-foot Malibu. No problem. The ramp is in great shape. There's plenty of concrete left, and the National Park Service has come in and laid a lot of what they call boilerplate tracking. So this is the boilerplate that the National Parks is laying at the end of the ramp to extend the ramp. As you can see, this is super heavy-duty steel, every bit as strong and good as concrete, and this ramp with the additional boilerplate should last us right into October. It's going to be a great summer in Bullfrog. That's all summer long. We're going to be able to launch, no problem. The National Parks is also extending the old main ramp, so that there's going to be water access there. So we're at Bullfrog Marina, as you can tell, and Bullfrog, the marina itself, you know that some of the marina has been moved over to Halls. There is still a lot of the marina still remaining here in Bullfrog. It is a complete island. There is no land access. You can't walk up and down the ramp in and out of the parking lot. But that didn't really complicate anything for us. We're used to loading up the boat, launching the boat, driving over to the houseboat, and off we go onto the lake. So no problem there at all. For all of you who have listened to the media and you don't think you should come boating at Lake Powell, and I even heard a lady on video saying, we're thinking of selling our houseboat and our speedboat because boating is not going to happen at Lake Powell. We thank you for not coming because we have the whole lake to ourselves. Yesterday, we tubed all the way. My grandson just caught a fish. How good is that? Because boating, we boated from Bullfrog yesterday and tube rode all the way over to Halls for ice cream. We saw 2 boats between here and there. Boating is fantastic. Come and go boating. The only thing you're missing is making more memories with your family. There is plenty of water to play at Lake Powell. It's going to be a great summer. Let's go boating. Okay, we're over at Halls. And as you can see, look, there's ODOC over there. There's Cartouche. There's Tire Time. And over here is another one of the docks from Bullfrog. There's Hotel Charlie and El Jefe, Fantasy Island, Utopia. So a lot of boats are over here and they're all set well. You can see over here they're putting in new parking. They're building roads, so we'll have access to the docks here and down there. So it's gonna be great. Don't worry about it. Come down and let's go boating. Some more good news from Bullfrog today. We watched them launch a 50-foot houseboat down the ramp. There's no problem launching. So there's plenty of water to play. Come on down, let's go boating. So a lot of people ask me, what keeps you up at night? Well, let me tell you what keeps me up at night at Lake Powell. My anchors. I'm always worried about my anchors. The slightest breeze, the little ripple of water I hear in the middle of the night, I'm awake all night long, checking my anchors, checking the wind. I'm probably a lot like many of you where I've lost anchors in a windstorm, and that is a bad experience. But the great thing about what's going on, some more good news about the Bullfrog end of the lake, is Captain Tony Anderson with Tickaboo On Lake Service. He has partnered with Beach Bag Anchors, and now they have them here at Bullfrog. As you can see, we had them lay out and hook them up to our houseboat. This is our 3rd night, and I've slept like a baby. As you can see, the wind's blowing pretty stiff right now, not too bad, but we're not worried. Our houseboat hasn't moved at all. So that's now available at Bullfrog. There's so many good things still happening at Bullfrog. Boating's been great for another day. My grandkids have caught a ton of fish. If you're not coming to Lake Powell on the Bullfrog end, you're just missing out. Come down to the lake, let's go boating. We'll see you on the water.